Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Lemonda Smartwatch. Now this is a very nice smartwatch that allows you to change the look of the watch so you don't get bored of it. So on there you've got 3 different styles of watch face, and on the back it's giving you some information. So you've got a calorie counter, step counter, distance tracker, multi-sport, durable standby between 10 and 30 days, heart rate sensor, sedentary reminder, sleep monitoring, incoming calls, informing notifications, alarm clock, countdown, stopwatch. It's IP67 waterproof, and it has a remote shutter for the camera app. I'll show you that later. Right, on the side there it's also got some information about the actual specifications of the watch. And you can stop this, pause this and read through at your leisure. I'm not going to read it all out. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we have inside. Okay, so quite a lot to go through. So first off is the charging cable. This is a 2-pin charging cable. On the back here you've got 2 gold pins, and it's magnetically attached. So as you can see, it's repulsing the magnet there, and it clicks on the other way round. See again, it's not allowing it to connect. It will only connect one way, which is the correct way, and that's a USB type A connection for charging. Right, also on the straps here we've got a quick release pin, so you can change the straps easily. On the back we've got a heart rate monitor, and you've got the charging pins there as well. Now the strap design, it's got a very nice pattern in here that stops sweat from building up and keeps your wrists cool. It's a nice silicone band, and it's even got the Garmin style latches in there that latch onto the strap to stop the bands from moving about. Right, okay, we've got the booklet in here as well. Now this booklet is in Chinese and English on the other side. That's good, and that will give you all the information about the various different apps that are on the watch. Okay, again you can pause that, have a quick look through. Right, so moving on, let's have a look at the watch. Okay, so it's got a touch screen. You've got the styles of watch faces on here. I'll just zoom in for you. So if you press style, you can change through. It's got 3 different watch faces. That's quite a nice looking one. You've got a more sporty one, which gives you the heart rate and your battery percentage with the date. And then you have another one. This one you can edit and move around the time, change the colors and things, and change the information. You can only edit the one with the owl. You can't edit the other watch faces, unfortunately. So on here you've got steps, you've got sleep tracker, you've got heart rate, you've got sport mode, you've got your blood pressure and your blood oxygen, and then you've got the camera and music apps. So on there you can just press and play and skip through your tracks. You've got notifications if you swipe down. So here you can see a notification that I had come in. Let's go back again. And swiping down. Right, swiping down, as you can see the notification. And then if you swipe to the left, it gives you a battery percentage. And then back to the apps again. Okay, so this one you can go through walking, running, cycling. Oops. It has some more, I believe, as well. Let's show you the camera. So on there, in the app, you click on the camera and then it allows you to control it with the shutter. You need to go into the app and just press the camera app first. And then as you can see, it will take a picture, and it counts down from 3 seconds to 1, and then takes the shot. Okay, so looking around the watch, it's made from an aluminium feel, but it's very dense, so I would say it's probably stainless steel with a brushed finish. Let's just show you the heart rate tracker. So if you cover that, okay, I let it go too long. Let's restart that and I'll show you it taking a heart rate measurement. Now I tested this against my Apple Watch and they came out pretty much the same. Okay, there we go, 74 beats per minute. Right, so it's got the weather app as well. Again, you need to set that up inside the app for the watch. And the app for the watch is it's called DAR Fit. If you go to the watch face and then slide to the right and then slide your finger up so it goes down to power, and then it says app at the bottom, and then it gives you this app here. So moving through the app, here are the watch faces. Unfortunately, there's only 3. I don't know if they're going to add some more in the future. Hopefully they do. But this one you can customize any way you want to. You've got notifications, alarms, so you can notify Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, all of those different things, WeChat. And then you've got alarms. You've got 3 different alarms you can set. The shutter again. There's your weather down there. Just type in the weather. You've got period tracking as well, menstrual tracking. So this watch does pretty much everything. I'm quite impressed with the functions of it. I've been using it for 2 or 3 days now, and the battery has hardly moved at all. It's getting the notifications and it's working pretty well. I'd say it's probably working about the same as the Samsung Galaxy Watch that I had last year. Okay, so accessories. Now this is how the watch comes when it's just out of the box. And it's a very nice looking watch all around. It's got a nice metal design, lovely looking crown, which has got a nice red ring around it. And you can also take the straps and bezels off. Let's just take this bezel off and I'll show you what it looks like in the different variations. So first off, you've got this nice chunky silver anodized aluminium band. Bezel. So let's just screw that one on. There we go. I think this one looked particularly nice, especially with that watch face. So that's with the chunky silver bezel. You can set that with different watch faces. Here it is with the orange band as well. This is with the blue bezel. It looks nice with the owl because it's got the blue flecks in there as well. And let's just show you how easy it is to change the look of the watch with the bands as well. This is the grey band. The orange band looks a little bit red in the picture, but it's actually orange. And the British Racing green band. For the price, I think this watch is an excellent buy. It's great for children, teenagers, students or adults. And I think this, with the orange band and the silver anodized chunky bezel, that's my favorite. That's the one that I like to wear. And I've been, as I said, wearing it for the last few days. I'll keep you up to date. Battery life has been phenomenal. I've had it, a couple of days and it's been really excellent. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. I'll just leave you the wrist shot. This is a silicone wrist, don't worry. I haven't chopped anybody's arm off. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.